Welcome back to the Pulse on Cyber. In our last video, we talked about why saving passwords in your web browser is a terrible idea. Today, we're talking about the invisible computer virus behind most stolen accounts in the world, the Infostealer. When most people think of a computer virus, they think of something that freezes their screen or demands a ransom. An Infostealer doesn't do that. It works in complete silence. In less than 5 seconds, it sweeps your computer and copies your saved passwords, credit card autofill details, bank logins, and crypto wallets. It packages your whole digital life into one file and sends it straight to a hacker. So how does it get on your machine? It tricks you. It hides inside things people download every day: fake PDF readers, free software downloads, game add-ons, or fake invoice attachments and scam emails. The second you open the file, the virus runs silently in the background. Your computer won't slow down and your screen won't flicker, so you won't even know your data was stolen until it's already being sold online. Here is the part that surprises almost everyone. Two-factor security codes won't protect you from an Infostealer. You know when you log into a website and click "Remember this computer"? The site gives your browser a temporary digital VIP pass so you stay logged in. Infostealers steal that VIP pass. The hacker copies it to their own computer, and the website lets them right into your account, no password or phone code required. If you think your computer has ever caught one of these viruses, simply changing your password isn't enough. Here is how to fix it step by step. First, kick the hacker out. Go into your Google, email, or online banking settings, look for Security or Devices, and click Sign Out of All Devices. This destroys those stolen VIP passes so nobody can use them. Second, clean your computer. Run a scan with a trusted security program like Malwarebytes to delete the hidden virus file. And third, stop saving passwords in Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Download a dedicated password manager app like Bitwarden or 1Password. They keep your logins locked inside a digital vault that viruses can't open. Don't leave the front door open for hackers. Remember to follow us and subscribe to the Pulse on Cyber for simple ways to protect yourself every week. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next update.